Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, school teacher and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my video. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So here we are going to see one official public notice released by the University Grants Commission on 31st December 2021. So first of all, I am requesting you to please watch this video until the end to get the complete details what I want to say you very clearly. Okay. So here it is regarding the internship portal for availing the benefits of 12 lakhs free coupons on NEAT platform of the AICTE. So actually what this notice is that AICTE is providing a few free online courses, guys, and these courses are very much helpful to the candidates to get the jobs very quickly. Okay, so it is the main theme of this one. And once let's check about the body of this notice, as well as one website also I will show you how to register and all. Okay, so please follow this video carefully. So Ministry of Education has announced a National Education Alliance for Technology, that is NEAT, as a public-private partnership model between the government and the education technology companies of the India. Okay, and AICTE is implementing the NEAT scheme to bring the best technological products using the artificial intelligence for customized learning in the niche areas for the betterment of the students in upskilling, in reskilling and enhancing their employability skills. Okay, that means if you are the students and if you want to increase your employability skills, then this NEAT scheme will be very much helpful to you. And the NEAT scheme also includes the free coupons for existing students of higher education from the economically and the socially disadvantaged students. And AICTE is working to distribute the advanced free coupons to the students. Okay, so all the universities and the affiliated colleges or institutions are requested to convey the following information among all the students. So if you are working in any of the colleges, then please recommend this website or else this video to your students. Okay, so register now, select the student tab and avail the benefit. The portal is open for registration and filling the choices of the courses before the last date, and share the information among your peer or the friends. So as on behalf of the UGC, so through my YouTube channel, I am sharing this information, guys. So you too, please share this video to your friends or colleagues, then it might be helpful to somebody. Okay, so here it is the website, guys, and if you are, I will show you this website very clearly. So if you are having any clarifications, then here the contact person is there, Vipin Kumar, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Phone number as well as the email ID is also provided, so you may contact to this person. Okay, and coming to the website, so here itself the website is given, internshipAICTeindia.org. so if you click on that one, and then you will be directed to this website, guys. Okay, so first of all you need to register in this website. Okay, so if you are a student, you just register as a student by clicking on this one, or else if you want to register as a university, then you should click on this university and then click on the confirm. Okay, so like that, or else the smart city, or else any some employer of any one of, that means if you are working as an employee in any some organizations, then click on this one, and then the particulars regarding that one you need to fill up. Okay, so whatever the candidate, means if you are working, okay, or else if you want to register as an institute side, or else if you are a student, then you can choose the option. So workers can, employers can choose this option, university can choose this option, if you are a student can choose this option. Okay, and it is applicable for both AICTE as well as the UGC recognized colleges, guys. So if you belongs to AICTE affiliate organization, then click on this one, or else if you belongs to UGC recognized organization, then click on this non-AICTE. Okay, and you need to, as a student I am just telling the details here. So you need to fill up the university, college or the institute names here, and what is your institute type, okay, whether it is a central university, deemed university, or else affiliated college, which one it is, and your ID, student ID, so first name, middle name and all these things. Okay, you need to select, guys. Okay, And while coming to the courses, the list of the courses I am going to show you. So wonderful courses, guys. So which will be very much helpful to upgrade your skills. Okay, very nice courses actually. These are artificial intelligence based upon the Python. Nowadays, the huge research is going on based upon the artificial intelligence, and the Python language is also very, very important. So like that, so many machine learning with Python. Okay, so many languages, I mean, so many wonderful courses are there. So you guys really need to take these courses to upgrade your skills for your better employment, guys. Okay, so just check down here whatever the different courses they are offering. Okay, so here the different multiple departments also covering here. So it will be really helpful to you to upgrade your skills to get the jobs very quickly, or else at the end of your graduation also at the time of campus selections. So this course completion certificate will be very, very helpful to you guys. Okay, so you need to fill up the 3 courses, and the preference is also enter here. And after filling up all these details, and then finally click on the register. Okay, so same UGC recognized colleges also you need to do the same thing like this. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity providing by the University Grants Commissions and the AICTE, and make benefit of these courses, guys. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to everyone, so it might be helpful to employer, or else it might be helpful to a student. Okay, so and apart from this video, the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel, and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want